Hi. In this video, we will discuss about wave equation for conducting medium. Wave equation. Wave equation for conducting medium. Wave equation for conducting medium. Wave equation for conducting medium. To derive this wave equation, we need to use Maxwell's equation. What are the Maxwell's equation? We have four Maxwell's equations. First one is del dot D equal to rho V. Del dot D equal to rho V. Standard. These are the standard Maxwell's equations. Second one is del dot B equal to 0. Del dot B equal to 0. And third one is del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T, or this can be written as B is mu into H, that can be written as mu into dou H by dou T. And fourth one is del cross H is equal to sigma into E plus dou D by dou T, or else it is sigma into E epsilon dou E by dou T. These are the Maxwell's equations. Okay. For the source free region, equation 1 and 2 can be written as, for source free region, equation 1 can be written as source free region means there is no charge. Source free region means Q equal to 0, that is rho V equal to 0. So that is del dot D equal to 0. As del dot D equal to 0, del dot E is also 0. Since D equal to what? Epsilon into E. That means D can be written as epsilon into E. For the homogeneous medium, epsilon is constant. So that's why it can be written as what? Del dot E equal to 0 by epsilon, that is 0. And equation 2 can also be written as what is equation 2? That is del dot B equal to 0, that is del dot, equation 2 can also be written as del dot mu into H equal to 0, that implies what? Del dot H equal to 0, where mu is constant. Now, by using that four Maxwell's equations, we can derive the wave equation for the conducting medium. What is meant by wave equation? By using that wave equation, we can describe the wave characteristics. In order to describe the electromagnetic wave characteristics, we need to derive the electromagnetic wave equation. So, that electromagnetic wave equation can be derived with the help of the Maxwell's equations. Let us consider fourth equation, that is del cross H, or else let us consider third equation. Of course, we need to use all these four equations in order to derive that wave equation. First, let us consider what? Note. We will start with note, that is del cross A. Formula is what? That is nothing but del of del dot A minus del square A. Del of del dot A minus del square A. Okay. Please remember this formula. We will derive wave equation by using Maxwell's equation. We know that del cross E equal to what? Minus dou B by dou T. That can be written as what? Minus mu into dou H by dou T. Since B equal to what? Mu into H. Now let us apply curl on both sides. This becomes what? Del cross E on left hand side. On right hand side, we have that is minus mu, okay, dou by dou t del cross, that is minus mu del cross, or else we can write del cross minus mu into dou h by dou t, mu into dou h by dou t. Now on left hand side it is in the form of this note, that is del cross A, it is in the form of del cross E in the form of this formula, that equal to what, del of del dot E, we need to simply replace A with E, del of del dot E minus del square E equal to, we can interchange del and this dou by dou t. Dou by dou t is this is time variable, whereas del means dou by dou x or dou by dou y, dou by dou z. It is space variable, it is time variable. That's why we can interchange this. Okay, we can interchange the order. That means first we can perform this del operation or else differentiation. So that's why we can write like this, that is minus mu by dou t del cross h. Okay, so that equal to what, del of del dot E, basically del of del dot E, this one is 0, I will explain why it is 0 later. This is del square E minus mu into dou by dou t into del cross h. What is del cross h? Where you have del cross h? This equation 4. So del cross h equal to what, sigma into E plus epsilon dou E by dou t. Let us write all the terms in terms of E or H on. Okay, so del cross h equal to what, sigma into E, and remaining dou d by dou t can be written as epsilon dou E by dou t. Since d equal to epsilon into E, dou d by dou t can be written as epsilon dou E by dou t, since d equal to epsilon E. Now move on to here. After this, next, why it is 0, I will explain this one. Del dot E is nothing but what, 0. Why here we consider del dot E as 0? In case of what, for source free region, means for source free region rho v equal to 0. In this case it is 0, since region is source free, the region is source free. Means what, actually wave is applied into the medium, means wave is generated somewhere and it is applied into the medium. Initially the medium is free of charge, so that's why the medium or region is source free. Medium or region is source free. That's why rho v equal to 0. As rho v equal to 0, del dot E equal to 0. Region is source free, that implies what, rho v equal to 0. As rho v equal to 0, this one is 0. So that is del of 0 is what? It implies 0 minus del square E. Here we have minus, we can write that one as what, minus mu into, sigma is constant, we can write sigma out of this differentiation, that is minus mu into sigma dou E by dou t plus okay, of course minus, it is minus into, okay, minus into plus minus, that is minus mu epsilon is constant, we can write this epsilon out of this differentiation, and here dou into dou, that is dou square, already we have dou into dou square E, and dou t into dou t, that is dou t square, and this can be written like this, that is del square E minus del square E, of course, minus del square E equal to, we can take minus as common, remaining terms are what, mu sigma dou E by dou t plus mu epsilon dou square E by dou t square. So this minus cancel out, finally we will get what, del square E equal to what, mu into sigma dou E by dou t plus mu into epsilon dou square E by dou t square. Okay, this is the wave equation for conducting medium in terms of E. This is what, wave equation for conducting medium, wave equation for conducting medium in terms of E. In terms of E. Similarly, wave equation in terms of H. In terms of H for conducting medium. We need to simply replace E with H. It is H. Here also H. That means simply replace E with H. We will get what? That is del square H equal to mu into sigma dou H by dou T plus mu into sigma dou H by dou T plus mu into epsilon dou square H by dou T square. Dou square H by dou T square. This is the wave equation for conducting medium in terms of H. Okay. How we can derive this del square H equal to mu into sigma dou H by dou T plus mu into epsilon dou square H by dou T square by taking here we got wave equation in terms of E by considering this del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T. If you take del cross H equal to what? Sigma into E epsilon dou E by dou T. If you apply next step as apply curl on both sides, and simplify. Del cross H gives what? Like this, that is del of del dot H is 0, del square H equal to what? That curl of this del cross sigma E plus del cross epsilon dou E by dou T. After simplification you will get this one only. Okay, if you want to derive the wave equation in terms of H, remember, please consider del cross H equal to like that and apply curl on both sides, simplify, finally you will get this one. Please take this as homework, this derivation of del square H equal to like this as homework by considering that one. Okay, so this is all about wave equation for the conducting medium. We will meet in next class. Thank you.